I'm back with another video. Sorry that I haven't did my car review for you guys, but I know you guys been waiting for that. But I hope all you guys enjoyed your guys' holidays. You guys got what you guys wanted. Should be grateful for whatever you got. But without further ado, this is not a how-to video. I'm just putting on these tail light tints, which is these are gonna go right here. It's gonna look pretty sick. Well, it has this paper thing. This whole paper thing is not gonna go on it, but this video is not gonna be like, you know, me putting it on or anything like that. I'm gonna show you guys after I have them installed. There's lots of videos on this on how to install these, whatever, so you guys can go look for those videos. But you know, this is just for, you know, to put something out there, because you know I haven't really posted anything for you guys. I've been sick too, so it sucks too, because right after the holidays, like right after New Year's, you know, I got sick. So yeah guys, but you know, I'm getting there though, getting better. So I'll show you guys the results after I install these, and yeah, it should be looking mean. Let's get to it. Here it is. Here's the results. I just got done right now, and it's not the best, but they're pretty hard to put these little tint things on. But you guys can see from the side, my car's a little dirty. I'm about to wash it. Here's a little preview, a morning preview for y'all. That shit looks mean. I'm gonna give you guys a preview at night too though, so just, you guys bear with me. I'm gonna throw it on the next clip. So yeah, don't leave, because I'm about to show you guys how it looks at night. All right.
You totally pimped Dad's ride.